3, 2, 1, go.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of River Science. Today what we're going to do is elephant toothpaste. It's a really fun experiment, and look it up online or watch my video. So what we're going to do today is, what you need is, to make elephant toothpaste, you need peroxide, food coloring, dishwashing soap, and yeast. And it's a really fun experiment. Last time we did it, it did not work at all. And I mean, it did not at all. And this is a friend of mine named Marlino, and he speaks in Spanish partially. So, try to understand him. Please.
Hi, Marlino.
Hi.
All right. Can we see your poster too, Marlino?
Poster?
Yes.
Back. Oh.
Very nice. Okay, put it down. Ta-da. Okay, so what do we have in the what do we have here?
Well, this is yeast within water, and this is peroxide and dishwashing soap, both combined together. So what we would do is we would both combine these together, and then it would make a huge explosion. That's what we're hoping to have happen. It might not work, so we might make a part, like, we might need delete this video. So, let's get to it. Marlino, would you like to show them? Or shall I? What? All of it. Oh! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Gross! Ew! Gross!
Hey guys.
Oh! Gross! Gross! Ew!
Oh, the biggest explosion.
Ugh! Look at this! You Hurry on! Rita, in. This is so weird, everyone. This is the weirdest elephant toothpaste I've ever touched.
Me too.
It works so much better. Ugh.
Ugh.
Wait, everyone, we're gonna be waiting for an explosion. Hope it doesn't break this bottle. Oh no, it's starting to leak. Ah, dang it. Ah, ew. Mom, here's some elephant toothpaste.
No. Okay, so that's enough. That's enough. Okay, don't throw it all over. Hey, we're gonna be cleaning this up, guys.
No.
No.
Yes. All right, so what have we learned? Have we learned about a chemical reaction?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And we also learned that it gets a big mess.
All right, so do you have anything final to say to your viewers?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
So, also make sure to subscribe and like the video. We're only at 17 or 16 subscribers. You need to subscribe. I want 10 million or 5 million. Come on.
Marlino, do you have anything final to say to the viewers?
No.
No?
Ew.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Bye.